Hey guys, welcome to old SmokinSteve's. Today we're coming to you from old sunny Sarasota. We finally got moved in and pretty much got things squared away. Got a few odds and ends left to do, but pretty much all squared away. Today we're going to be smoking up a spatchcock chicken, lump charcoal, and hickory chips or chunks. And last time I fixed a spatchcock, I smoked it about 250 degrees. Today I'm going to put it on at 250, and I'm going to let the temperature build up during the smoke around 350, 400 degrees. Reason being, last time I smoked it at 250, the skin was pretty rubbery, and I'm trying to avoid that and get the skin a little crispier this time. So we're going to let that heat build up. Target between 350 400, doesn't really matter, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on at about 250, and I expect the cook to last maybe hour and a half, and we're going to be smoking up some cauliflower and cheese along with it, and we're going to see how it turns out. Now, in order to get the spatchcock chicken prepared, you need to, what I do is take a knife and score it along one side of the backbone, then take kitchen shears and go ahead and cut that backbone, then flip it over and push on it and break that breastbone so that chicken will lay flat. And I found that this is about the best way to cook a chicken. They really turn out moist, and you won't be disappointed by cooking it this way. So we're going to get the grill fired up and get it on, and we'll do a taste test at the end and see how we like it. So stay tuned. After we get that chicken laying flat, we're going to go ahead and coat it up with some ghee clarified butter. That'll give something to rub to stick to when we put the rub on. So today we're going to be using the ghee clarified butter. Now here's the rub we're going to be using today. It's a Backwoods Hickory Rub Spice Blend. We picked that up the other day at a little store at St. Armand Circle in Sarasota, and we thought we'd give that a try. We did put it on a little pork loin the other day, and it was really good. So we thought we'd give it a try on the chicken. But you know, if you got a favorite rub you like to use, go ahead and use that, or step out of the box a little bit and try something different. If you want to try that cauliflower side dish, this is a recipe that we found on the internet for that, so you might give that a try as well. Okay, let's walk out back here and see our new setup here in our new place. As you can see, have a lanai here, and back in the corners our little red Akorn smoker. Today we're going to be smoking up that spatchcock chicken, and I'm going to put it on at about 250 and let that temperature climb on up. We're going to use indirect heat, so we're going to be using a diffuser and hickory wood. Okay guys, that chicken's been on about 20 or 30 minutes or so. So let's go out back here and check it out and see what it's looking like. Normally I don't check on it during the cook, but I'm just a little curious, and I wanted to show you how it's doing after 20-30 minutes or so. So let's open her up and take a peek. Well, there you go. Looks like that cauliflower is coming along nicely. Cheese is starting to brown, and the chicken is coming along as well. And looks like that skin is going to turn out just fine. So we'll keep an eye on it here and get back to it here in a little bit. Okay, it's just been a few more minutes, but I wanted to check again on that cauliflower. Don't want that to get all burned up. I know the chicken's not done. We're monitoring the temperature of the chicken with a probe in the breast, so we'll let that temperature get up to 165 before we pull that chicken off. But let's take a peek and see how that casserole is doing. Yep, that casserole is looking mighty good. I think I'll go ahead and take that off and let that chicken continue to cook and pull it at 165. So let's go ahead and get that casserole off here and get that set aside. Okay, this chicken's been on about an hour and a half now, and we're showing a meat temperature of 165 and the smoker temperature at 426. So it did build up to about 426 here at the end, so that's fine and dandy. Now let's go take a look at the chicken and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at this. This skin really looks good. I can't wait to tear into this one. Okay guys, I just took the chicken off and got it sitting here resting, and got it all cut up in quarters, and we're going to have a taste test here in a minute. First of all, we started smoking this at about 250 degrees, and I let the temperature climb throughout the cook, and it wound up at about 420 degrees at the end. But most of the time it was probably about 350, 370. The previous chicken I smoked at about 250, and the skin was pretty rubbery. So I wanted to try to get the skin a little crispier this time, and I think I did accomplish that. So I did let the temperature climb up. So I'm going to do a little taste test here for you, and see how it turned out. I know when I was cutting it, the juices were flowing. It's really juicy. Here we go. Juicy, juicy, juicy. It's got that hickory flavor. It's really good. Guys, you won't be disappointed with this one. Give it a try. And be sure to subscribe, and we got a lot more coming your way.